Hello, Cornelio. My name is Devin, and you guys spoke with my wife and my partner Mary earlier today. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time for speaking with her, and then as well as watching this screencast. So really quickly, I just wanted to go over three things you guys can do to be a Barrett Tree Service. As you see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google when you type in Boston Tree Service, and I'll explain why I chose that keyword here in a second. So and you guys can be there super easily as well. So like I said, I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So I have your website pulled up right here. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. So Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these home pages, and all this is your guys' content. This is all content, even all this right here. So you guys aren't bad in this category right here. You guys have about 800 words of content on your front page, which is definitely higher than I would say a lot of the competitors in the area. So Google likes to see this content because they not only believe that it's going to keep customers on your guys' page longer, but it's going to keep them on Google longer, which Google gives them opportunity to make more money selling these ads they have here, and as well as the ads they have down here at the bottom of these pages. So Google's all about making money, so they're crawling these websites trying to see who they can put on the front of these pages that's going to make them the most money. So and as we know, 70% of customers are only doing their shopping on this front page. Not a lot of people are going the extra mile, going to the second, third, let alone fourth page when they're looking for things. So Google understands the importance of being on this front page, and really everybody does. It's very important being on this front page right here. So Google's crawling websites, trying to find that content, and equally important to content is keywords. So a keyword is what people will be typing into Google when they're searching for services. So, for example, Boston Tree Service, that's one of the highest volume searches for tree services in the area. So, as you see, this gets 140 searches a month alone. So, there's a bunch of these keywords out there that you guys want to be ranking for, but just adding these keywords onto your homepage will let Google know that you guys do provide these services, and they'll send that traffic to you. So, when people are typing in these keywords, Google will actually rank you for these words, and these are definitely things you want to be ranked for. You want to be at the top of Google when people are typing in these searches right here, so you're right here in front, easy to find. So next thing I'm going to talk about is called backlinks, and a backlink is basically when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, but they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. And they'll give you a lot more power for using relevant companies such as other tree services companies or other contractors rather than using like a Pizza Hut or like um, a freaking car shop sending you power to your website, because Google understands you guys do not do that for a living. So they like to keep niches and keep power in the same area. So I like to use a website called Ahrefs to check this. This is directly through Google as well. So all these stats and stuff is from Google. As we can see, your guys' website progress and within the last 3 months has been going down. And then so for as far as your backlinks, we can see you guys have 10 different backlinks. So 10 different websites giving you a total of 57 backlinks. So that's a total of 57 times cjtreeservicesma.com is listed in 10 different sites right here. And we can see the amount of keywords you guys are using, and then as well as the organic traffic. If we hop over here to Barrett Tree Service, so we see they have 84 different websites, giving them almost 400 backlinks, and we see the amount of keywords they're using and everything as well. So when it comes down to backlinks, these are very easy. We can just come in here, and you want to find their high authoritative, powerful backlinks and go out and grab them for yourself. So you don't want to grab these low power backlinks that's not giving them anything. You want to come in here. You want to take the high volume, high powerful ones right here. So some of these are directories, which means you just make an account and then drop a link back to your website. Some of these are blog spots, as you can see right here, where you just create an account, leave a blog comment, and then drop a link back to your website on there as well. So with those two tips, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listen section, which is everything below these maps and below these ads right here. If you want to be ranked number one right here in this GMB, the map pack, Google My Business section, this has everything to do with citations, and citations is my third tip right here. So a citations is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list your business information, such as like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, you guys here have 23 different citations. So your website's listed in 23 different directories. Barrett Tree Service has 49 right here. So similar to backlinks, we can come in here, we can see exactly what directories these guys are using, and you guys should go grab all of these for your guys' website as well, because if they was good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked as well. So, and then I would suggest going out and getting 100 of the 100, like, so if you got all 49 of these, I would suggest going out and getting 50 more, because you really want to just blow these guys out of the water and let Google know that you guys are the most powerful website and the most powerful company in the area. So that pretty much wraps it up. I tried to be short and brief, and I hope this information was useful. So, quick recap: we just went over 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages, but equally important is adding in those keywords that you guys want to be ranking for. And then we talked about backlinks, going out and grabbing these high authoritative backlinks, and then finding more powerful ones. And then same thing with the citations, grabbing these citations and then going out and getting better ones as well. So again, thank you for your time, and thank you for speaking with Mary and I. So my phone number is 775-402-2885, and please feel free to reach out to me or Mary if you have any questions, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.